To start. Alright, here we go. All in cards here. Busting a box of 2012 Bowman drafted baseball for hockey fights. Jumbo here. It's a jumbo box. Good luck. Alright. Start off with a blue refractor. Falou. And hopefully we hit another one of those duels. How much did you sell that dual Harper auto for? That was craziness. Paul Sewell refractor. There's an ice. Taylor Ard ice. Nice. That was a nice little surprise. Our autos must be hiding. Chris Stratton, base auto, Giants. Jesse Winkler, ice. Oh yeah, you definitely did. Some guy named Nolan Fontana, gold auto. 48 out of 50 on the gold auto. Astros. Tommy Richards refractor. What is this? Bowman Black. Whoa, whoa. I was like, look at that crazy. Bowman Black auto redemption. Richie Schaefer. That's awesome. Surprised they did the thick card like the Bowman. I wonder why they did that. Will Hurt auto. Will Hurt refractor. And the last pack. A purple ice. Clayton Henning. Number /10. It's a decent box for you right there. 2012 Bowman Draft Jumbo for hockey fights.